What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's vlog is gonna be a little different. So one of our subscribers, oh by the way, we just reached or went over 300 subscribers, so shout out to that. One of the subscribers hit us up and we're gonna be installing Ikon Motorsports wing on his 2016-2017 Civic. So his name's Sun. He's on his way right now. And while we wait for him, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the wing. We went ahead and already painted it, prepped it, and we're just gonna install it today. So for video purposes, we're gonna put it on my Civic for now, 1994. So we rattle canned this. We used a base coat from Automotive Touch-Up Paint and a 2-part clear, which has a hardener. And this is the final product. I think it came out pretty nice. I went ahead and already wet sanded and polished it for him, so we're ready for the install. So in the previous vlog, I told you that the hardware was wrong, and the correct hardware is, I went to go to your local Home Depot, and it's the M4 by 0.7, and it's a 10mm long bolt or screw. So let me show you. So I went ahead and got machine screws so it sits nice and flush. Yeah, the other ones that came in, they're just some screws that, dude, they don't even fit. Alright, well, we got it all said and done. So just waiting on Sun right now. What do you need for today's install? Well, of course, a drill. You gotta drill a hole into the trunk. You need sockets or a wrench, screwdrivers to take off covers, wire T-taps to splice into his original third brake light so we can give power to that, and zip ties, some type of form of measuring tape, you know, IKEA, and of course dikes, wire cutters. Alright, so Sun came here. Sun, say what's up. Yeah, so I'm gonna do install. So he's just showing me his lights. You got the rear signals and the front. Check this out. Yeah, good. Yeah, look at that. You know, on Instagram, it didn't look real. Real? It doesn't look real on pictures. It looks, yeah, it's like You saw it on Instagram as well? Like, no. Yeah, fun those. So when you signal, it does the same thing? Yeah, signal the same thing. Let's check it out when he signals. Oh, yeah, the Mustangs do that. Yeah, the Mustangs, yeah. Hey, Alright, so we mounted the wing and we drew around the supports. So now we're gonna go ahead and mark the holes and then it'll be on. Hey Sun, how do you feel about me drilling holes in your Yeah, but the holes are drilled, they're about to mount it on right now. If you look inside, right here and right here, all accessible. Man, that looks nice. What do you guys think? I think it should have came like this from the factory. So like I said, Sun decided to do black wing supports, and it looks a lot better than color matching the whole thing. We're gonna try to wire his brake lights right now, but this is the way it looks. So you said it was like $60 for the wing? 60 cents? Yes. 69, yeah. 69 bucks. And this is what you can do to your car. So it is wired. We T-tapped here because we need to extend this. T-tapped here, as you can see, power ground. And then go ahead. Go ahead. Go step on the. Yeah, look at that. Matching with his signals. Another successful install. Alright guys, so that was another successful install. Thank you Sun for hitting me up on Instagram. If you guys haven't followed already, follow us on Zenith Official, Zenith_official, or at my Instagram at Bennett. So I'll leave it down in the description below. Comment if you have any questions. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you fucked with that shit. Badass install, whatever. But yeah, until then, I'll see you next time, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Just kidding. Alright.